So today I want to share a quick and easy recipe for some nut-free pesto that I made. It was so delicious, though I had to share it with you guys. So the first thing you're going to need is some fresh basil. And you're going to need a couple of cloves of garlic, some Parmesan cheese, throw in a little bit of pepper and salt. And then we're going to pulse this in our food processor just to get it going, kind of pulse it down a bit. And then we're going to stream in some olive oil. Now you're going to let this go until it's the consistency that you like. And that's it, you guys. Quick, easy, only a few ingredients. You can store it in a little mason jar with a lid in your fridge. I used it for some homemade pizza. This is my favorite recipe. It's easy and it's quite delicious. Yum.